To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
FIMM has reprimanded a former unit trust consultant for alleged misconduct during an examination in May 2022. The consultant, previously with Kenanga Investors BHD, has been barred from registration for 1 year effective the 4th of December 2024. FIMM stated that the misconduct was detected internally and emphasized that this public reprimand serves as a warning to uphold compliance with its rules and maintain integrity within the industry. The consultant was found to have breached FIMM's code, which requires distributors and consultants to act honestly and with integrity, as well as specific rules concerning fitness, propriety, and reputation. Chinese investors are buying up large amounts of Hong Kong mutual fund products that invest overseas, particularly bonds, after authorities expanded a cross-border trading channel this month and opened for them an avenue to get better yields. Several mutual funds that are registered in Hong Kong and allowed to market products to mainland investors were sold out with 24 hours of opening for subscription at the beginning of the year, fund statements show. The funds had reopened for subscription in the past week after China relaxed limits for Hong Kong funds that are approved to sell on the mainland under the Mutual Recognition of Funds scheme. It lifted the sales quota to a maximum of 80% of the fund's total assets from the 1st of January 2025 from the previous 50% limit. India's new central bank head faces a tough decision on managing the rupee's exchange rate: focus on squeezing volatility like his predecessor did, or respond to calls for more flexibility as the dollar continues to surge. Former Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das's term was marked by efforts to stem currency swings, as he sought to impart predictability to foreign investors as well as local importers and exporters. A change in leadership has stoked speculation about the RBI's exchange rate policy. While effective in dampening fluctuations, critics say Das's tight grip on the rupee effectively fixed the currency to a crawling peg against the dollar. That has hurt the nation's export competitiveness during a period of slowing growth, they say. Data on the 7th of January 2025 showed that India is headed for its weakest economic expansion since the pandemic in the current fiscal year. A former employee of a Cebu unit trust management company was charged in the magistrate's court here today with criminal breach of trust involving funds in the unit trust. Alina Tommy, 32, of Lucky Garden in Kanawit, allegedly committed the offence involving 263,296.12 ringgit belonging to the company's customers between 2020 and March 2024. She was charged under Section 408 of the Malaysian Penal Code, which carries a jail term of between 1 and 14 years with whipping and liable to a fine on conviction. BlackRock, the world's biggest asset manager, said on the 9th of January 2025 it will leave the Net Zero Asset Managers Initiative, the latest Wall Street firm to depart an environmentally focused investor group under pressure from Republican politicians. BlackRock, which manages some $11.5 trillion, said that with 2/3 of its global clients committed to cutting emissions to net zero, it had made sense to join groups like the organization known as NZAMI. However, our memberships in some of these organizations have caused confusion regarding BlackRock's practices and subjected us to legal inquiries from various public officials, leading to the departure, according to a client letter reviewed by Reuters. Watch the latest episode of Coffee Talk to find out about what is going on in the industry. Exclusively on FIMM's official YouTube channel. Read the latest issue of the e-Zine available at FIMM's official website to stay updated about what's going on in the industry.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.